Officers rush to a Dollar General after an employee who's been working for 2 months is caught red-handed just moments earlier by his manager.
Around the building towards Tractor Supply.
What color?
He's got on a red and black hoodie. He's a black guy. He's got on a thing on his head.
Right here. That's him that took off on foot. Alright, I'll be right back.
They took off on foot?
The officer hopes to catch him before he escapes.
Hey, if CC can go over and check Ridgeway. Yeah, he's hunkered down somewhere over here.
Do they know his name and stuff?
I don't know. I just came out here looking for him. Have you seen anybody? Gonna be a black and red hoodie. Have you seen a black male, black and red hoodie running across here? No. Okay. All right. Thank you, sir. I was trying to check that trailer park over there. I didn't see anything. I think he headed towards Mount Olive. I'm gonna head over back to Dollar General though.
Back at the store, officers learn more details about his theft habits and where they might be able to find them.
Doctor's back.
Excuse me, sir. No. Do you have all his information?
Yeah, we did birth date and everything.
Okay. Yeah.
Sure did.
Yeah, cool. How much did he steal?
He admitted verbally to 600, but he wrote down 500.
He admitted verbally to 600?
But he wrote a statement and said, I only took 500. But he said 600 to us. And we've got him on camera for several things. And he stole that water today. Today. He said, yeah, I stole that today. I didn't pay for it.
Okay.
His birthday is there for top. I made him write down all that.
The address he wrote on there is Richmond, which is right here. But the address we have in the system is.
So I don't know if it's an apartment or what.
210 radio.
But he wrote one.
First name's gonna be Alex.
You guys missed him literally by like 30 seconds.
Yeah, I saw him run across 441. I was like, I wonder if that's our guy. And so
if he lives across there, that's probably where he went.
What was he wearing?
He is wearing black, white, and red hoodie that has, I think it's the number 14 on the back. It's either 14 or 41, something like that. He has on black pants. He has on a skull cap. He's probably the same height as you. Skinny.
Okay. Black.
He's probably a little taller than you.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm short, so all of you above me look tall.
He's probably 6'4", 6'5".
If you fast forward it, Dennis, as he's walking out, you can
Yeah,
see what it
so
says on the back.
when he walks out. Down tennis shoes, black tennis shoes.
Did he know that you called us?
I had to.
No.
I don't have signal,
No.
so I had to go outside.
He knew that there
to
was a
call.
possibility that he could be arrested, we told him.
Okay.
And he begged her not to do it. But she had to go outside anyhow. So that's when she went out and called y'all.
And when I came back in, that's when he said, "Oh, I have to go to the bathroom." So I got up, and he went to the back, and then came back up and went out the front door and ran across the
It's number
street.
14 on it.
Okay, so it's 14, not 41. That's where he's asking me not to have
Asking
him
her
arrested.
not to arrest him. You can see the big numbers right there. On the very front.
He'll have something covering his head. He won't go anywhere without something on his head.
Yeah, he's got a skull cap thing, I guess we call it.
And when did this start?
He's only been with it since March, and he said I've been doing it since March.
Okay. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go look for him. Who's the
She's the
person in charge? You're in charge. You got your driver's license on?
Unless you want to arrest her too. You want to put her in jail too?
No.
She's mean to me sometimes.
Hey, that's it. Everybody's mean to me sometimes.
You don't do that. You don't do it for people being mean to you.
No.
The only thing I need today. What's your badge number, Officer Elliott?
211 or 210. I'm sorry.
I just need then the case number.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it'd be stupid to come back anyhow. You know?
Yeah. But you never know. Criminals are.
Oh, I know.
Listen, I had one time right here at this store, but when we were in the other one, remember? Ran and hid in the pottery.
I'm gonna pull up to his house, knock on the door, and talk to him face to face.
Alrighty.
So we're gonna go pick him up, but I'll get a criminal trespass written up for him when we find him, and
Will I know that you? Will you call me to let me know that you've picked him up?
Yeah, I'll come by and
Okay.
drop off the hard copy of the criminal trespass
Alright,
for you.
perfect.
Okay. Indefinite or 3 years or
Indefinitely.
indefinitely? All right, sounds good. All right, thank you.
Do you have a picture of him?
I'm gonna run his name and date of birth, see if I can find one.
Numerous officers pull up to his apartment to perform a raid on his unit.
We're going to the back, right? So, do you want to bring your dog through there, or I'm worried about the rock
Until we
crawler?
get them secured. If we can get them in a bathroom, then we can bring the dog in. That's fine.
Anyone y'all got a dog leash?
We got a shield. Thought about using the shield to kind of push them back if they get arrested.
She's supposed to be sending me the growth number. Misdemeanor probation.
And y'all have what kind of charges?
Well, if the charges
Tempo,
don't
I'm
matter.
gonna let her know in a second. Hey, as soon as we get back there, we're gonna come through here with the key, and county's gonna make entry. We're about to come through the back. I need you up here with CC. Once you're up here with CC, let me know. We're gonna make entry. Let's ride. Let's go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Like, fuck it.
All right, I'm coming with you. I got that dog that comes out. All right. I got Taylor behind you. All right.
Come out one more time.
The dogs come out. I got pepper spray.
All right. Make sure you got me though.
Dixon, Sheriff's Office! Alright, you got lethal? Alright, I'm gonna hold less lethal. They let that dog out. Take care of it. They've got multiple Rottweilers, dogs and stuff.
Yeah.
So they're making entry in the back. 210, 230, y'all inside.
Make sure you got me though.
Dixon, Sheriff's Office! Dixon, Sheriff's Office!
I'm going lethal.
Dixon, Sheriff's Office! Come out!
Thank you.
Where are you?
Come on.
You gonna go get first?
Come on, boy. Come on, bubs. Go in there with your buddy. Come on. Hey, got to pivot real quick. Clear on this hard corner. That's it, dude.
Yeah, we check. Yeah, that's straight.
All right.
Do that little one in the front.
Good job.
Good boy.
First, what? Hold that. Dog boys in the front. I'll bring Bruce in. You're gonna bring Bruce in the front? Yep. All right. I'm just gonna stand right here. Slide this one. Slide this one. Yep. Just putting them two on the stairwell. Come out.
Blue, blue.
He was fine when he wasn't in.
Sheriff's Office K9, make your presence known. We'll send the dog up, you're gonna get bit. Sheriff's Office K9, make your presence known, and we'll send this dog up, you're gonna get bit. Last warning, you're gonna get bit.
Tempo over there. Okay, now the
Damn it.
Show me hands, hands.
Bruce, buddy.
Closer up some more. Yeah.
Bruce,
Pull up there. Somebody
Step
with their
out.
hands.
Step out now. I'm right here, bro. Drop your phone.
Open that front door so you can back.
I said drop your phone, not put it in your pocket. Step down.
Watch out.
Hands on top of your head.
You got hands on
Around, turn around, face back. Come on. Turn around. Get anybody back.
Is anybody else out there?
Where's the 230 radios? Tell me 1026 on that. They're all in there. Come on.
Small one
Down
in the
here.
bathroom.
Nobody else is in?
No, can I have my hoodie, please?
Yeah, let's go outside. Misdemeanor probation.
You also about to have felony warrant for shoplifting.
Got none on you, right?
Nope.
Did somebody shut his back door?
Can you please shut my back door and lock it? Can I have my hoodie, please?
Your hoodie, where's it at?
It's in my room.
Okay.
Come with me. You can grab it from me, please.
Okay. Well, why do you need a hoodie for right now?
Because I have anemia. It's raining outside, and when I get in the jail, it's going to be cold. You know that.
Okay, but you know they're not going to let you keep it, right?
That's fine. I just need it for now because I'm going to go into shopping. I don't have my hoodie.
Okay.
Hoodie.
All right, where's that upstairs?
Upstairs. It should be one on the floor.
One on the floor?
Yeah.
You know where to find?
Yeah.
All right, stay right here, okay? CC, why don't
We'll go ahead and handle our charges and they can.
Hey, upstairs, upstairs.
Can I make a phone call, please?
Nah, man, you just locked yourself in the house. Almost got dog bit. You work with us, we work with you. Vice versa, not that way.
I'm nervous, but that doesn't mean I'm going to make a phone call.
Okay, and you can make a phone call to jail for me, okay? I'm all about working with people, but.
It's not a hoodie. He said it's right on the floor. Oh, freaking hoodie.
My room is the room closest to this room right here.
Okay.
That's my brother's. That was in the other room. Is Violet in the bathroom?
I'm
not sure.
Is Violet in the bathroom?
The little pit bull?
Can you let her out of the bathroom?
This one okay?
That's fine. She's downstairs bathroom.
What's up?
Can you let Violet out, please?
That pit bull out.
Out of the bathroom?
Yeah,
This one?
she's not gonna bite you or anything like
No,
that.
she went right in there, man. She good.
Just make sure she doesn't come right out the door.
I got you. I got you.
Hi, bud. Go ahead and stand up for me, okay?
You lock my door.
You got a key on you? Right there.
Get out my pocket.
Alright, we're gonna walk over here, okay?
Your back door's already locked.
Alright, we're gonna walk over here, alright?
Hey, I'll put them right here. I'll take them.
You gonna take them?
So you can start your report.
Okay.
On the top. Right there, bro. Oh, no drugs on you, right? No. All right, nothing in your socks or anything like that? Nothing in your do-rag? All right, I just asked him because if you go across the guard line, that's another felony. All right.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Bro, can you do me a favor? Can you unloosen them, please?
Unloosen them?
You got them joints. Like, look at my wrist, bro. That shit is like on my bone. Please. I'm not going nowhere, bro. I'm not going nowhere.
He's got a warrant out there.
That's it.
Cool. Now you about to transport him to the jail.
I'll transport. Yeah, that's fine.
All right, come on.
Gotta get the catch pull out of the back.
Please, just a tick.
Which one is it?
Both of them for real.
I can't let her loosen it anymore because it's real loose. I got 2 thumbs in there, man. All right. But I put them up so they ain't really on your wrist as much. Ooh. Yep, I got you. Can you get this on, please, CC? Thank you.
Since he stole over $500, but not all at once, officers aren't sure on exactly what to charge him with.
Had a shoplifting call. He was running over 441. I was like, that's my guy. But I went to Dollar General to check, and so I talked to them, and they said that his address was on Dollar General. Yeah. But he's going to jail for felony shoplifting, and he's got a warrant out of Banks County. I guess he's been stealing for the last 3 months, and he verbally admitted to stealing 600, but he wrote down in an admission letter 500. So it's still, either way, it's still felony. Because isn't it 499.99? So either way, it's still felony. Hold on.
So
What did he steal today?
A bottle of water. But he's been stealing over the last 3 months he's lived there, or worked there.
So wait, how much?
How that works?
So if I steal from you 3 months ago and I steal from you now, I can only charge you. Yeah.
I mean, the amount today is going to be
The amount today, like, it's a charge. Each time he goes there and steals, that's a charge. You can't total up the amount of stuff he stole over a 6-month period and charge him for a felony. You can charge him for more than one count of misdemeanor if you can prove it was him that stole it and what he stole. But you can't charge him for 10 misdemeanors, combine that to make it a felony. You can't do that. So he stole a bottle of water today. So that.
Hey, can you tell her to come here, please?
Yeah. What's her name?
Jessica.
Miss Jessica?
Yesterday he stole $30.
I thought it's a total amount equal 500.
In one offense, each time he.
661 was running.
You're gonna go in that room, step in the red box. Have that. The red box. Red box.
Now, considering he literally wrote down and signed the paper stating that he stole from Dollar General, charging and proving he was guilty wasn't very difficult. As a result, Alex was charged and convicted with theft by taking and was sentenced to 12 months. Now, he only spent 13 days in jail and the remainder of his 12 months was on probation. For more specifics, during his time as an employee at the Dollar General, Alex unlawfully took multiple items such as underwear, socks, water, and food with a value of approximately $500 through $600. Let me know your honest thoughts on this one down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
I said drop your phone, not put it in your pocket. Step down.
Watch out.
Hands on top of your head.
You got hands on what?
Turn around, face back. Come on. Turn around. Get everybody back. Well, why do you need a hoodie for right now?
Because I have anemia. It's raining outside, and when I get into jail, it's going to be cold. You know that.
Okay, well, you know they're not going to let you keep it, right?
That's fine. I just need it for now because I'm going to go in the shop. I don't have my.
Hey, y'all stairs upstairs?
Can I make a phone call, please?
Nah, man, you just lock yourself in the house. Almost got dog bit. You work with us, we work with you. Vice versa, not that way.
I'm nervous, but that doesn't mean I'm going to make a phone call.
Okay, and you can make a phone call to jail for me, okay? I'm all about working with people, but